Narwal Freo Z10 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo Review, premium hands-free cleaning with AI precision. In recent years, robot vacuums have evolved from simple floor sweepers to powerful, all-in-one smart cleaning systems. After weeks of testing, it proved itself versatile, powerful, and user-friendly. Here's everything you need to know. The Z10 Ultra boasts a sleek design and compact base station. Its small footprint allows easy placement without overwhelming a room. The Narwal Z10 Ultra's TwinAI Dodge technology uses dual RGB cameras and AI chips to avoid 200-plus household items like cords and socks. Quiet during use, it only gets loud when emptying the dustbin, like most brands. Tangle-Free brush system. Hair clogs frustrate many robot vacuum users, especially in pet-friendly homes. Innovative edge mopping technology ensures spotless cleaning in difficult areas. With its 2.5-liter dust bag, the Z10 Ultra offers hands-free maintenance for up to 4 months. The convenience is well worth it. AI adjusts suction and cleaning to match each room and dirt level. Setup was simple with smooth app integration, and Narwal adds its own detergent. It supports Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri for voice control. The Z10 Ultra delivers strong suction and smooth movement across all floors, excelling on thick rugs. Adaptive edge cleaning and hot water washing deliver spotless mopping and clean pads. Narwal's TwinAI Dodge technology reliably bypasses obstacles, smoothly avoiding toys, socks, cords, and even a dog bone. Another unique feature is the built-in camera, acting as a mobile security scout. Narwal's intuitive app offers full control, room customization, pet zone cleaning, and Siri support.
Go to GearBrain for more information.